Hi guys, so one of my most frequently asked questions, especially over on Instagram, is how I keep my piercings so healthy. As someone with 21 piercings, it is a huge compliment to hear people give me that sort of feedback. So I want this video to be all about aftercare, what you should be using, how you should use it, and all that good stuff. So here's just a quick up close of my piercings. They look so beautiful, so healthy, and so clean. The product that I have been using pretty much since day one is the Body J for You Aftercare Spray. Now, what got me on that, just a quick little backstory. My dermal was one of my first few facial piercings that I had ever gotten, and I had ran out of my H2 Ocean to clean my septum with. A little quick story time on that here in a minute. Once I found out that you needed to clean this more than what I was doing, I had to get an aftercare spray ASAP, and I needed it to be cheap. So I went over to Amazon, Googled some aftercare sprays, this product popped up, I bought it, and it's been with me ever since. This product is great, it's made with all natural ingredients, and you can pretty much guarantee that whenever you're using this product, you're going to be cleaning your piercings in a healthy way. Now, the problem with H2 Ocean is there is a high salt content within that product, therefore drying the piercing out rather than cleaning. I always remembered that whenever I would clean my septum with the H2 Ocean, it would leave a residue behind, and I never knew what it was until I googled it, and then I found out what it was, and it was the salt that was in the product. Again, like I said, rather than cleaning the piercing, it was drying it out, causing it to be irritated. It was real pinchy. It just hurt so much. And then I got this, I started cleaning my septum with it as well, and I have never had any issues with any of my piercings. You don't have to, of course, use this product. This is just what I'm using. So if you want to be a bad bitch and you want your piercings to be healthy, no irritation bumps, no irritation whatsoever, you want to take whatever piercing spray that you have and clean your piercing 2 times a day. No more and no less. More than 2 times a day, you will kill the good bacteria off, leading infection. Any less than 2 times a day, you're not killing enough of the bad bacteria, leading to infection. And you need to be consistent with the 2 times daily for about 3 months, I would say, or longer depending on the type of piercings, because some piercings do take longer to heal. I still clean my piercings just about damn near daily with this product, but that's just because that's how I am. I take so much pride in having healthy piercings. I don't ever want them to look crusty or bad. And that's pretty much it. You can also do soaks with this as well. Just spray it in a little container and there you go. I'm running out of time because I talk too much, but yeah, I love you.